Alright guys, I'm doing a review on Jordan's Morning Crisp today. This is the maple pecan version, and this was on sale, and I picked it up. Here's the side panel if you guys want to read it, pause the video. It's got 12 grams of sugar, and the ingredients are right here. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. And it's got some maple syrup in there, so let's open this up and see what it tastes like. So this is at the help section in the grocery store, just to let you know. It does have a nice aroma of the maple. Here's a cluster, so I'm going to give that a shot. That's pretty good. It's got a nice granola type of cluster, and it's full of like maple flavor, so it is on the sweet side, but definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.